How to judge car left and right side. Easy tip for beginners. When your car is moving straight, judge your car from left and right mirrors by road lane. From right mirror, check your car body. It should be inside from road lane. Make your habit that to be check after 15 seconds. Adjust your car according to distance from road lane. From left mirror, judge your lane also from left mirror. To balance your car between left and right side road lane. Check your car body from left side road lane. Car body should be inside from left road side lane.